Hey guys, here is a 50-inch Snow White Casablanca Panama II ceiling fan. This fan is from 2003 and it's from December 4th. This is a 3-speed model and there's not really too much else to say about it. It has the XLP 2000 motor, so it does have a good motor in it. It's not one of those XDR motors which hum a lot, but anyway, I'll test it out. Here's the low. This thing came 100% complete. The Sether had 2 of them. Well, actually, the other one was an IntelliTouch one, so I did pick that one up as well. This one has a nasty wobble to it, but I do need to bend the blades and align them correctly, but I'll get to that eventually. As you can see, it came on this foot-long down rod. Runs very nice. It's my first 3-speed Panama. I really do like it. Here is medium. Not sure if the camera's straight on that. Sorry about that, I just need to clean out in here. Kind of going through a lot of stuff here. There you go. I have a ton of boxes in here right now and I need to clear it out and get some more filming room, but this will just have to do for now. As you can see, it's starting to wobble. Here's high. Too. So I had to get these with the blades attached to them. Show the tag. And of course I'm dropping everything. Pretty sure it's on the other side. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.